Epigenetics. Now I hope we have some new students here trying to learn what epigenetics is exactly. Let me walk you through it. Okay, so epigenetics is the study of changes in organisms caused by modification of gene expression rather than alteration of the genetic code itself. Epigenetics basically means above genetics. The epigenome doesn't alter your DNA, but rather how many genes are expressed in different cells in your body. Epigenetics looks at what happens to your genes throughout your life to see if those changes could be passed down to your children and even your grandchildren. Okay, let's head over to our next room, shall we? Right this way. A genome is your genetic makeup based on DNA when you are born. In twins, genomes are identical. When you start getting older, your epigenome begins to change. This is based on your environment. Also, how your DNA transfers throughout your body. This is most likely how twins start to look different as they get older. As you can see, I am twins with this client. I look nothing like him. Let's continue. Just as the genotype creates a phenotype, so does your environment. Nutrition is an important element. Imagine two animals with the exact same genotype. One animal is fed plentiful, while the other is not sufficiently fed. Naturally, the first animal will have a better outcome in its life. Let's check these environmental influences. One thing that could affect your genome is the fodder or substrate, humidity, temperature, draft, stress, and the weirdest one, management strategy. Here is a phenotype equation. P equals G plus E. P meaning phenotype, G meaning genotype, E meaning environment. Basically, the genotype and environment is what makes up what you look like in the end. I know some of this could be boring, but just stick around me for just a couple more minutes, okay? I would gladly enjoy that. Alright, let's leave. So, one last important thing we need is information. We need proof. Here we have heritability. Heritability is defined as a regression of offspring from the parent average. Inbreeding, which we have here, is breeding closely related people or animals, especially over many generations. Outbreeding, which is right here, and there he goes awkwardly looking in and out. Outbreeding is, well, the opposite. Breeding people that are not closely related, so completely different. Well, not completely different, but so to speak. So anyway, we have inbreeding here, with the relationship between the weight of a mother and offspring by inbreeding and outbreeding. Here we have the inbreeding. As you can see, this graph right here, they are all very close, and it's not improving. There is no improvement, there is no deduction. So basically, if you inbreed, there's not going to be many changes, which could be either a pro or a con. And here we have outbreeding. Mother's weight being on the bottom, offspring heights being on the y-axis. Bruh. Are you serious? Okay, he just wants to be in the video. So basically, as you can see, the people who weren't related, the graph is going up. It is improving. That means there is better offspring outcome and weight. So yeah. Well, it's been fun while it lasted. I hope all of you children enjoyed this educational video on epigenetics. Make sure to drop a like down below if you did, and comment what was your best part. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all later. Bye!